Today we are making the ultimate comfort food, slow-simmered red beans and rice. We're starting with a base of smoked andouille and bacon, building deep flavor with fresh vegetables and bold, savory spices, and then bringing it together with the star of the show, red beans. Howdy y'all, I'm Jason with Old 36. As always, the full recipe is in the description below. Let's go. First up, we're laying down the foundation. Now slice up your andouille to your liking. Let's get it sizzling and let it brown up beautifully. Our andouille is browned up nicely. We want to remove this with a spatula or a slotted spoon. We want to save all that grease in the bottom. All right, next we bring in the bacon. Let that render down. All right, let's throw in our holy trinity. We've got our celery, onion, and our poblano pepper. Get it all in there. You're going to want to stir this until everything's rendered down. Oh, that smell. Good Lord. This is the start of something beautiful. Our trinity smells wonderful. Let them sweat, soften, and let them drink up all that smoky goodness from our sausage and bacon. Let these keep on cooking down until they become translucent, lose a little bit of their color, and we're going to go in with our garlic. Don't let that garlic saute too long, only for about 30 seconds. Oh, that fragrance of that garlic just hits you. This smells so good. We are building something special here. All right, next, let's add our sausage back into the pot. Get all that grease, all that juice. That's magic. All right, let's deepen the soul of this dish. Pour in all your chicken broth. Drop in your bay leaves. Toss in our seasonings. I had some fresh thyme, so why not drop that in as well? Give that a good mix. Let it come together. This is where the layers start stacking up. All these ingredients are going to come together to create something absolutely special. Now, once our stock comes back up to a simmer, it's time to add in our beans. You could use canned beans, but if you want that real creamy texture and that deep, rich flavor, dry beans are the way to go. And I'm going to drop this down to a gentle simmer and let this all come together for the next 3 hours. We're 1 hour and 30 minutes into our cook, approaching the halfway point. And we're starting to get a thicker juice here. This is what we want. We want to work up to a thin gravy. We're getting a nice color on these beans. These flavors are coming together. The kitchen smells glorious. Put your lid back on and let's go another hour and a half. To serve, top these beans off with a little bit of chopped green onion and a little bit of parsley. Our red beans and rice have cooled down, and I wish you were here to smell the smells that I'm getting in this kitchen. It smells wonderful, absolutely glorious. But enough talk, it's time to see how our beans taste. Oh, these beans, a triumph. Kicks off with that savory note from the chicken broth and our vegetables. Then you get the smoky foundation, that core from our andouille, the bacon. It's present through every single bite. And then at the very end, you get just a gentle kiss of heat. Nothing overpowering, perfectly balanced. I'm very, very pleased with this pot of beans. I hope you're gonna try this. This right here, this is comfort, tradition, and a whole lot of love all in one bite. And with these beans, like any other pot of beans, they're always better the second day and beyond. Thank you for stopping by and watching this video. If you like what you saw, please hit the like button and consider subscribing for more easy to follow recipes. As always, keep it bold, keep it spicy, and until next time, adios. Oh yeah. Hot damn.